Let's learn how to disable quiet mode on Instagram. If you want to disable this option but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Once Instagram is open, make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to turn off quiet mode. When Instagram opens, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to stay there. You need to go to your profile page. You can open this page by clicking on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once this page opens, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner. After clicking on this, a page will open with many options that you don't need for this tutorial. For this tutorial, you need one option, and that is the notifications option, which has a bell icon next to it. When you click on that option, a page with several options will open. But you need the second option, which is quiet mode. When you click on that, a page with several options will open. To turn off quiet mode, you need to turn off the first option by clicking on the white button next to the quiet mode option. When you click on that white button, it will turn gray, and you have successfully turned off quiet mode. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.